Okay, so here we go. This is my dashboard and we're going to be creating ourselves a brand kit. If you have Pro, you can add in your brand items here. You can add in your logos, different color palettes, you can upload your three main fonts that you use, and you can also upload additional fonts from Google. If you're on the free account, you can still add in a color palette of 3 here, but you won't be able to add in the rest. So the best way to do this is to create a template and then save it or print it out and pop it on your vision board or on a cork board or something, so that you have the color codes and your logo and everything all ready for you. Now I have quickly done this one just for me, just to show you how you can create your own brand board. Okay, so all I've done is I've gone to create a design and I've typed in mood board, and I've clicked on this one because it gives you a huge amount of templates that you can use. This one, this one, this one, all these can be edited and changed. The colours can be changed to suit your brand. So you can use one of these if you're not confident with making your own from a blank page. The boards in Canva are fantastic, and you may find one that may even represent your business as it stands, and then you can just change the colours. So to create your own brand board, something like this, it's so super simple. I recommend fonts, colours, logo and imagery. I've added some patterns as well. I've just gone to my element section and I've typed in pattern, because I tend to use patterns as backgrounds in Canva. You can't drag these into a grid, so that's why I've added them up there separately. So if you're wanting to add a grid, which I definitely recommend, type in grid and you will have all of these come up. Scroll down and they get smaller and smaller, so you'll get more images within each one. You can just add one of these into your design, reduce the size using the circles, and then you've got something to drag your images straight into. Add circles, reduce them in size using the white dots for your brand colours. You can just go to duplicate so that you have them exactly the same size, duplicate. I'll just duplicate a couple more so that you know they're all identical for your brand colours. You can even add a text underneath if you want, with the hex code, which is here. So if you click on the colour, go to the colour palette, and then this one, it will bring up the hex code for that particular colour. So you could even add a text box with this colour code in. Add your logo, so you can go to the upload section, upload media, you can add your logo and then just drag and drop. And then I recommend adding your 3 fonts. So I've added my logo to my brand kit, so it's available under folders, logos, and then I've got it here. So I can add that in, and then if I press the T box, it will bring up a paragraph box, which I can then add in my 3 fonts. I always recommend just sticking to 3 fonts if you can, for your header, your subheader, and your text font. So the 3 different types of fonts that we use for our main business. So the first one would be that you'd use for your business name. This one you would use for subheaders, so breaking up blocks of text, and this one you would use for your text. So you've got your fonts, you've got your colours, you've got your logo. You can add your business name on here as well. You can call it my brand board. You can change the colour of your fonts if you wanted to match one of your brand colours. And you've got this little button down here called change all, which will change everything of that particular colour. You can align things by going to position and click tidy up, and it will space things evenly for you. I'm just going to move this down here. You cannot drag and drop patterns into here. So as you see, I've added 3 patterns at the top here instead. So it's a very simple thing to do. Pop over to create a template, type in mood board, and you will receive a huge amount of different templates that you could use. You're more than welcome to use these. They are there for you to use. Or you can click a delete, or create your own blank page and then start creating your own. I've added a couple of little lines in here just to divide up my main branding colours and fonts and my patterns and images. But that's it really. So as long as you've got your fonts, your colours, your logo and any imagery and patterns that represent your business, you should be absolutely fine with your brand board. Then get it printed off, have it printed, you can put it up somewhere, or you can just save it into a folder in Canva so that when you're creating a design, you have got your colour codes, which is the most important thing. When you click on one of these, you can go to the colour code so you can stay consistent across all your social media and your website images. So that is it for this video and brand boards. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.